This is a good news video. Good news is Hunterworks is now able to ship to Australia, and not directly, but through Amazon FBA, through the products that we have in our FBA inventory. FBA is fulfilled by Amazon. For those of you down in Australia who do not know who I am, first time ever watching the Hunterworks video, I'm Todd Eldridge, the owner of Hunterworks Incorporated. We've been in business 22 years this past April, primarily in the clutch related business, more so in UTVs than ATVs, and then more so into belts as of late. And we have more belts on Amazon than we have anything else, but there's certainly some clutch tools and other items. It's easy to find us. What's available to anyone actually on Amazon. However, for Australia customers, you'll be going to the Amazon.com website, not the Amazon.au, and simply search Hunterworks. For everybody else in the United States or wherever might be watching this, if you want to know what we have on Amazon, same thing. Go to Amazon.com, go to the search block, and just simply type in Hunterworks. But we certainly have our belts. We work with 3 of the main manufacturers here in the United States. One of them in particular makes 80% of the world's OEM belts, and I work with them. We don't just private label, we work with them if something needs fixing through our experience, and thicker, thinner, wider, you name it, different compounds, so forth, so on. We keep working on belts till we have what we consider the best on the planet and best money can buy, and still at a decent price, and always less than OEM, or almost always. I think there's a couple of the cheaper OEM belts that we make are better ones that cost a little more, but nonetheless, usually a better value. Guys down in Australia, we're looking forward to doing business with you. Hope you enjoy doing business with us, and that if you need tech support, Todd@hunterworks.com, email me and send me some pictures. We can go back and forth. We do a lot of that. I do a lot of that every day. It seems to consume most of my time here at work every day, but I'm more than happy to do it and to help you out. So welcome to the Hunterworks family, Australia, and appreciate you very much.